Hello, good afternoon. Kasama ko ang alaga ko. Bibili kami ng ice cream. Ayan o, nagtakbuhan na. Bibili kami kasi sasama ko sila. Dito po ako sa sa Marina. Yun, building. Ayan sila. What did you say? Oh, this is book.
That one. This side. Oh, that one, yeah. Let's just wait for that one to come and we can go on that one.
Are you sure? Okay.
I've done it before.
Tell her to stop.
Sir! Sir!
Nag-antay kami ng sasakyan kasi malayo.
You want to go on your buggy? Seriously?
Sana, come here. Let's go. Walking.
I think.
Walking.
Sir. Oh! One of them just stop over there.
Ay. Ano pa dito? 7:30 ng gabi. But ganito ang niya, parang alas 5 pa lang, alas 6. Ito oh. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh. Gabi na dito, 7:30. Bye, love you, Marto. Yun lang ang video ko. Thank you, bye-bye. Sa